In this video, I'm going to be answering some of the frequently asked questions I get from students about the elements of math. Now, for elementary students, it is important that they understand the difference between the number form, the word form, and expanded form. And as we progress through elementary, students are introduced to additional place values. So, for instance, we might start off a young elementary student with 23. We want them to write that in words and in numbers, and we want them to recognize that is 20 plus 3 in its expanded form. Let's take a look at how we would break apart 4,693. So, you'll notice how I said it correctly. That's exactly the word form. But a lot of students don't want to say it. They say 4693. We want to encourage that they use proper vocabulary. It's only going to help them later on. So I've got 4,000. You may be asking yourself, do I have to write out the number? You actually don't have to write out the 4. It would be perfectly fine in word form to put the 4, but then you want the place. So it's 4,000. I'm writing the 600. You can or you cannot write it that as a digit or not. And then 93, of course, this one would need to be written out in words. And this is the word form, and it reinforces the place value we want students to understand. Next, let's write the expanded form. In expanded form, we write the digits as their place value. So this is for thousands. Plus, this is 600s. So we write it as 600. This is 90 or 9 tens. And then, of course, we have the 3 ones. This is the expanded form. I want you to point out, though, that we have addition signs between each of these numbers. That's very important that students understand. That's how we write them together instead of joining them by commas or just spaces.